So a number of my favorite things for the 265BHT Transcend. Number one, there's no holes in the floors for your heating areas, which is really important. This is Grand Design's entry-level trailer. You know, you see a lot of those in the floors where you have your heating vents in the floor, and over time that creates moisture, creates a soft floor. You're never going to see that in Transcend, and definitely one of my favorite features. You don't have to worry about stuff blowing up on you or melting crayons in your furnace underneath the flooring. So one of my favorite things that they've done, that's a part of their golden threads too. So my second favorite thing that Grand Design does in the Transcend 265BHT is the dual entry. So one of the things they pride themselves on is being able to use your trailer while you're on the go and you're traveling. And so you have the ability to go through the front entry door, use the bathroom if you like, get to the refrigerator if you like. Everything's on a 12-volt system. So the slide system, if you wanted to run the slide out with your vehicle, you could do that. So that's definitely one of my favorite things, is utilization of your trailer while you're in tow or while you're traveling. Really well done by Grand Design. And last but not least, this trailer will sleep up to 10 people in its current configuration. You got 2 in each bunk, 2 on the sleeper sofa that pulls out to bed, 2 on the dinette, 2 up front. 10 people can sleep in this trailer, which is incredible. So take the whole family and go enjoy a trip with your family. So guys, come check out the 265BHT here at Clear Creek RVs, 5701 East Highway 80, or you can check it out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at clearcreekrvs.com.